Hi everyone, so I just received this, yes, Hotwheels ID Bugatti Chiron. So let's open it up. You can see the details, the track performance, speed, lap, and also the races. Yeah, so let's open it up. Okay, so these are the car here. I really like this Hotwheels ID design because it is really detailed. You can see there is the Chiron written at the back, and also highly detailed logo, the headlamp, and also the tail light. Oh, really nice. The color, of course, it is a plastic wheels, but it doesn't matter for me because I think this is one of the good casting, one of the nicest casting of Hot Wheels ever made, because it is I think every ID cars is actually nice, because I have the McLaren Senna ID, so the details are really good and really nice. Actually, it won't disappoint me because it is really clear and beautiful. So yeah, let's put it side by side. If you like this video, please like, share, and also subscribe my channel. Okay, see you guys soon in the next video. Bye.